What features should be mentioned about Hikers 34-inch UWQHD 240Hz curved gaming monitor? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Hikers 34-inch 240Hz ultra-wide curved gaming monitor, 2K, 3440 by 1440, fast VA panel, 21:9 aspect ratio, PIP, PBP, AI Crosshair, AI picture quality curved computer monitor. Ultra smooth and high-speed performance. Experience super fast, fluid gameplay with a 240 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond MPRT, and FreeSync technology, powered by a fast VA panel for responsive, tear-free visuals. Variety interface. With 2 HDMI 2.1 ports and 2 DisplayPort 1.4 ports. The ultra-wide curved monitor supports refresh rates up to 240 Hz through both connection types, making it ideal for competitive FPS gaming and daily work. 1 HDMI 2.1 and 1 DP cables included. Earphone port, VEAS 100 by 100 mm support, tilt -5 degrees to about 15 degrees, plus, -2 degrees, no speakers. Display specifications. Enjoy vibrant and lifelike visuals with AI picture quality, 131% sRGB color gamut, and 97% DCI-P3 color coverage. 300 nits brightness and 3000:1 contrast ratio deliver sharp detail and depth, while AI dynamic blue light, anti-flicker, and anti-glare technologies provide comfortable viewing for long sessions. Advanced gaming features. AI Crosshair enhances aiming accuracy. Sniper Scope improves zoom clarity and precision. Night vision boosts visibility in low-light environments. Multiple game modes with gamer, FPS, RTS, RPG, ensure tailored performance for every playstyle. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.